The Congress Party on the 23rd of January 2023 had welcomed former NCP MLA Saleng Sangma and his supporters at a meeting that was held at the Congress Bhavan in Shillong. The President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H Pala, senior party leaders and workers were some of those present on the occasion. While addressing the gathering, Saleng Sangma said that he is hopeful that unlike the NCP, the Congress Party will provide him a better platform to work for the good of the people of the state. He added that should the party win a minimum of 5 to 6 seats in the upcoming Legislative Assembly elections, it would be enough to work together to bring about a change in governance.
I'm having a bit swinging mood today. One is I'm very sad, and on the other hand, I'm very happy also. Let me tell you why I'm sad is that with NCP, I have been there for many years. They have given me a platform before. I was there, I never wanted to betray. But the fact is that with NCP, I cannot serve the people. That's why I was sad. And then when I want to go forward to give some kind of a transformation to the people, I just cannot fulfill the dreams. But in the meantime, I'm so happy again that I'm having a privilege to work with one of the most humblest humblest president, Vincent Pala, who is none other than the MP of Meghalaya. I'm happy, sir, to work with you. But I'm glad and happy that we'll be working together to see the things that definitely will be better for the future. Why I have joined is that at least this is the right, and then this is my old party, and I'm really happy and excited to be back again to the same fold.